Allow me to introduce myself. You may recognize me from a few things. It may be that old concert footage you saw from that Toronto show, maybe like a Vice documentary. Maybe you recognize me as that guy from that video telling you to buy that Pokemon card because it was going to pump 15% in the coming weeks. But let's be real. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you found my content because I was talking about jail. So anyway, here's the full story. And what better way to explain it than with props? This is Bad Trips, same hat as the one I'm wearing now. This is a book I wrote when I was sitting in jail. It took me 9 months, and it was even going to be made into a TV show before it got canceled because of woke. Not really, it got canceled for another reason. Another video will be called for that. But pretty much, my name is Slava P, and I'm a disgraced former music journalist who worked for Vice before he decided to traffic cocaine, not just for money, but for clout. Then I went to jail, and weirdly, that was the best content decision I could have made, because I made a bunch of videos about it, explaining it, and not only did I help people, but I got views. After jail, I got out, I learned to trade, I learned how to weld, learned how to work with these hands. And honestly, I kind of liked it. Things were good, so I decided, hey, you know what? Let me relive my childhood and get back into Pokemon cards, but this time I'm gonna do it as an adult. And I'm gonna look at it as an investment vehicle, damn near an asset class, some, like me, would say. Binder, full of slabs. I'm gonna do a video about these a little bit later, but I'm actually gonna sell these 3 birds that I got on eBay for a $200 profit. I'll show you how to do it in a short that I'll post later. Now, this channel is called Grit and Grind because that's what I truly believe life is all about. You gotta go out there, you gotta give it your all, and you can never, ever take failure as a real answer. You see, I truly believe that with enough time, determination, and effort, you can do anything you set your mind to. And that's what I'm gonna show you. That I can do anything. The only consistent thing in this whole YouTube page that you're gonna be watching is me. I might post a video about going camping. I might post one about the Airbnb that I got and how it's been doing year over year. I might go to card shows and get some rare cards. I might decide to become like a metal sculpture guy who kind of tricks galleries into hosting his work. I'm not sure yet, but that's what makes the channel fun. So, I'm Slava P, and welcome to Grit and Grind. Like, subscribe, you know what to do, and look out for the next video.